Ever wonder how traders predict crypto price moves without a crystal ball? Let's talk technical analysis. Technical analysis, or TA, is all about reading price charts and trading volume to guess where the market's headed. It doesn't care why something is happening, just what the price is doing. Using tools like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, traders look for patterns, like when a coin is overbought or when two moving averages cross. That crossover might just be your buy or sell signal. But heads up, it isn't magic. It works best in high-volume markets, and false signals are real. That's why smart traders use risk management and often combine TA with other tools. So whether you're day trading or just trying to time your entries better, TA can give you an edge. But remember, no strategy is perfect. Combine it, test it, and trade wisely.